How can blockchain technology change the banking system? Banks act as intermediaries in the economic environment, managing and coordinating all the activities of the financial system through their internal registries. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt and reformat the banking industry as a whole by replacing middlemen with a transparent system that is accessible to all. Blockchain can speed up transactions, make them cheaper, facilitate access to finance, and improve data security. The current banking system undoubtedly works, but it can greatly complicate the sending or receiving of financial funds, due to various commissions, both for banks and for customers, and, in some cases, the financial operation needs additional verification and administration. Blockchain solves this problem. Payment transactions using blockchain technology can be carried out at any time of the day, at lower fees, in the absence of territorial restrictions. The final change in the banking system under the pressure of blockchain technology remains a matter of time.